Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and if you have not heard of the potential benefits of cold therapy by now, well, where have you been hiding? But if you want to try a really compact version of that, I would definitely recommend giving this LATME ice roller a whirl. This thing is really convenient to keep in my freezer, and it's always available for me to use. It rolls really freely and smoothly. It doesn't catch or get stuck at all. I find that it stays frozen during use. It does not warm up quickly, and it holds on to that precious coldness for a really long time. I tend to suffer from migraine headaches quite frequently, so I really appreciate having this roller to give me relief during those times, or times when I'm just feeling a lot of tension in my face. Sadly, I am no stranger to having neck issues, and sometimes the tissues and muscles in my neck can feel really tight and inflamed, so this roller is great for providing relief. Something that I really love about this roller is the fact that I can take the rolling part out and give it a really good wash. I'm really happy about this since I am rolling it on my face and on my skin, and I don't want any icky bacteria or germs building up on it. Having that jolt of cold has done so much good for my skin and for my overall feeling of well-being. It is so refreshing, and now I can get it easily with this LATME ice roller. And that's my point of view.